Have you ever wondered what the promise of God's rainbow truly means? It's a symbol of hope and peace after the storm. The story begins with Noah, who built an ark to save his family and animals from a great flood. After the waters receded, God made a promise. God placed a rainbow in the sky as a sign of his covenant, assuring humanity that he would never again destroy the earth with a flood. This beautiful symbol represents unity, reminding us that despite our differences, we are all part of one human family under God's promise. Every time we see a rainbow, it's a reminder of hope and new beginnings, a promise that after every storm, there is beauty. The promise of God's rainbow encourages us to cherish each moment, celebrate life, and spread kindness to one another in our communities. As generations pass down the story of the rainbow, we learn it is more than just a meteorological phenomenon. It's a timeless message of love and assurance.